are going to be using oven bags to cook our turkey. Okay, let's start by prepping our turkey. Let's cut off the bag. Like this. And now let's remove our whatever stuff. And now let's take out our neck. What else is in there? Now let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's put our turkey into our turkey cooking bag. Just like this. Now let's move on to our next step. Okay, now our next step is closing our turkey bag. Just like this, and then we're gonna take our little zip tie kind of thing, put it on there like this, and just pull it till it's tight. Now we're gonna push this down. Now we're gonna make little slits in our bag, like that, like this, and then put another one there. One more over here. Now let's move on to our next step. Okay, we have 3 options to know when our turkey's done. We have our pop-up timer, we have our meat thermometer, we have our meat probe. So I'm gonna use our meat thermometer and our pop-up timer. So, let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's put our turkey into our oven at 350 degrees until it reaches 180 degrees. And I'll be back to show you the finished product. This is our finished product.